everyone. Uh, my name is Vikram. Today, coming across the podium is an electrifying moment for everyone. It's for high level of confidence for forthcoming time. And I'm honored and privileged to be here on this special day. So I would like to pay my regards to Viru sir and who has given me opportunity to express my opinion on this special day. To be very honest, words I cannot describe about this person. Really, I don't know what to say or what not to say because it's been wonderful time. I have I privilege that I have evolved myself under his mentorship. It's been honor that I have been surveillance under his mentorship. I, I know I can say that those who are trained under his mentorship, they still missing his presence. I can truly say. He was not only mentor, not only trainer, not only teacher, but he was the inspiration. He was the role model for thousands of students. Just, I cannot explain the atmosphere of the class. I can only feel. Really, I would say that I guess that I can explain the atmosphere of the class on that time. I met with him, first time I met with him in 2014. When what happens, one of my two friends, they want to join the academy, but, but I was not willing to join. I came with them to interact with him in the office and when I entered in the office, we sat and have a wonderful conversations. What happened? Both of them didn't join, but unfortunately, I joined this academy. I don't know, but what happened? When we enter in the class, really someone said the first impression is the last impressions. I will say thank you so much. You are most welcome. These words are enough to have some impression on someone. Since the day I felt myself really grateful that I have taken so many classes under his mentorship. Since 2014 to 2017, I came here, I tried my best to be a continue and constant. Because the way he taught us, you don't want to miss the single class. Really, when we also wanted to take a class on Sunday and Saturday as well, but due to hectic schedule, he was not able to take the class. I can tell you the atmosphere of the class. There was no any kind of library nowadays, and the timing of the class 4 o'clock, and I came here 3:40, 3:45 because if you late by 5 minutes, you have to sit on the stage. सीढ़ियों पे बैठना पड़ता था. So you can imagine now that we have at 20, 25, 30 students sitting here. So on that time, there was no single gap. एकदम चिपक चिपक के बैठते थे. More than 120 students were present in the class, and you can imagine जब ये हाउसफुल होता था कैसी आपकी वाइब्स होती होगी. And I was sitting in the corner. There was some huge reason behind that. I'll tell you because I was afraid to come on the podium. So sir बुला देंगे. It is the story, I will tell you later. So the vibes of the class was really outstanding. The words, the power, really incredible. I cannot express right now. But one of the most effective ways communicating. He had a strong communicator. Really, that the persons, the power of words, like you can listen the single audio only for 2 you have seen some pictorials which in the video that you can see and you can imagine only, but the things I have seen visibility in the practical things that can remember forever. And he was more creativity and imagination, because being a teacher you have to focus on the class. You might be getting bored, you might be not paying attention, not interest in the class. So teacher have to observe the things that how can pay the attention, be more creative in the class, so they can pay attention. So this was the quality, one of the best quality I ever faced. I have faced many teachers in my life, but he was one of the most, and I think he is one of the last teacher. Still I am following his rules and regulations. The best things, the another, the rewarding someone. If you came here on the stage, I know it's not easy to stand here and sounding from the podium. Today, whatever I'm doing, I'm completely feeling comfortable. Not a single % of hesitations, not a single % of shyness because of him. Because जब आप इतनी सारी पब्लिक को फेस कर सकते थे, 120, 100 more than, so it's the less student. Now I'm feeling less because I know I've faced already more students. जब ज़्यादा होते हैं तो ज़्यादा energy आती है. So that's the things because of him. I know the first time when I come across the podium, I was not able to sound myself. And sir, एक आशीष सर थे, तो सर ने उन आशीष सर को यहाँ आए और बुलाए, विक्रम के यहाँ पे हाथ लगाओ. My heart was beating more than 72 times. Really, it was practical. I faced it. Even I was not able to sound my name. मेरा नाम भी भूल गया था. Okay, it's fine. But इसके बाद में जो तालियां बजी ना, मैंने expect नहीं की थी. Even you can't speak a single words. Then even after you have applause on the background, so अपन खुद में भी लगता है कि यार, you have to do next time. The one pat of back go a long way. You think जब यहाँ के shoulder पे हाथ लगाते थे और यहाँ खड़े, विक्रम, you have done excellent. You have done really great job. Excellent. I believe that you can do better than next time. These words are enough. Really. कोई मोटिवेशनल देखने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती थी, कोई मोटिवेशनल बुक पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती थी. क्लास में आओ, एक अलग तरह की एनर्जी लेके जाओ यहाँ से. And one of the best things, one day he said that if I were educate minister of India, I can totally sense the education system in India. Really, he was not satisfied with the Indian education system because it is totally based on theoretical, and he wanted that it should be on practical base. It should be measured by the practical base, that after the schooling, the student can be more mature, that he can able to do anything, whatever he want to do in on stream. But we are not sufficient right now, even though crossing the bachelor and master degree. So it's totally, we are not only a fault, but we can't do anything right now. So what he used to say that हिस्ट्री तो सब आती है. It is mandatory to read the history of India. कि शिवाजी कौन थे, अलाउद्दीन कौन थे. But it is also the mandatory to know कि CEO कौन है, अमेजन की CEO कौन है, मारुति की कौन सी गाड़ियाँ आती है, कौन से कॉन्टिनेंट है देश में. We should know also these things, which are the really mandatory in the present era. But अपन वही हिस्ट्री पढ़ रहे हैं बार. Why we are not implementing in the education system? So these words are really encouraging us. What he was thinking, I am telling you what he was intending, And the things, I would say one of the best things, he was really inspirational and motivational. I cannot express my opinion कि कितना ज़्यादा inspirational थे, कितना ज़्यादा motivational थे. You can say, Guru said that power of words can do anything. He has the ability. अगर कोई बंदा स्टेज पे आना नहीं चाहता, I can give you the guarantee within the 7 days, within the 5 days, वो अपने आप hesitate करेगा. Sir, I want to come on the podium. Because if I can do, so everybody can do. Why I used to sit on the corner कि मैं सर से हाइट होना चाहता था, मैं स्टेज पे नहीं आना चाहता था. But after the couple of days, I also said that I want to come on the podium. और उसी दिन में मेरा नाम भूल गया था. But the power of words is only can enhance the ability inside you. They can increase your desire that yes, I want to do something. What is your mission here? Always say that if you are coming in academy, you should have one mission. That if you are not, if somebody is thinking that I am coming here for wasting the time, no, you are what are you doing here? You are doing invest your time. Where you invest your money, when you feel that you will get something back in a return, means interest. So if you are investing 1.5 hour, 2 hour, that you are gaining something, you are investing something that will back to you after 3 months, 4 months, 1 year, after 2 years, if you are investing very well yourself. So these are the words I can give you only the couple of thoughts, not every thoughts. You know, really it was used in my when I was at my home in 2017. I got to know about this demise of Sunil sir. It was a shock. Really, I break down. But after the 2017 or 2018, I didn't join this academy because कि सोचता था कि there is no mentor. मन ही नहीं लगता था आने का. But after that, I joined that you have to do something. You can't do without anything in English. Mentor is gone. You have to follow the protocol. You have to follow the rules and regulations what he has given to us. He always say, don't give up. Don't give up. You can do anytime. But you have to first believe in yourself. That's the power. So this is the return of the fortunes. Believing in yourself is the first step to success. ये सब उसी टाइम के सब जितने भी आप ये जो क्लास का एटमॉस्फेयर देख रहे हैं उसी टाइम का हुआ है. So I would not take more time because there are many memories and many words which I can express you, but just I want to say he was the real hero. He was the dynamic person. He was the one of the persons. If you have taken single classes, you are still missing, still kicking yourself. You may continue to if someone is you are still missing. Maybe you have taken more than 2 or 5 classes or 1 month, you are still missing his vibes. He was really power of words, and I would say that he was the visionary, he was the acknowledgement, he has a mission. We are truly missing his presence in the class. I'm truly missing his vibes, and I can assure you, if someone who is taught is under his surveillance, he will still missing his. But I believe wherever he is right now, he will still in my heart. So I would request to everyone, please take a 30 seconds. You will close your eyes only for our mentor. If you are not under his trainer, if you are not, but just be for a mentor. So close your eyes for 30 seconds and rest for his peace. Start. Yes, thank you. Have a round of applause for everyone. Eventually, I wrap up with the quotations, which was one of the favorite quotation of Sunil sir. And if you want to make your future bright, if you want to make your future bright, make your person bright. Make your person bright. That's all.